Defining stage is about determining features of our product. Assuming that during the discovery stage we were able to find out everything there is to know about the project, idea behind it, users, their pain points and its stakeholders. Now we need to figure out its core functionality. This is the second video in the series explaining the design thinking process and its stages. You will find links to them in the description of this video. Design thinking is one of the most popular approaches to UX or product design. It typically consists of discovery, defining, ideation, prototyping, and testing stages. Good place to start is to describe and capture user profiles through problem statements, storyboards, and personas. This will allow you to put further emphasis on whatever you want to achieve from a user perspective. Personas are fictional characters, which you create based upon your research in order to represent the different user types that might use your service or product. It can help you to recognize that different people have different needs and expectations, but it can also help you to identify with the user you are designing for. Personas will serve you as a guide for ideation sessions during the third phase of the design thinking process. Storyboards tell a sequence of events using images, similar to a short comic. This can be used to illustrate the experience users will have with your service or product. Storyboard is intended to illustrate user experiences in their context, in order to spark discussions about weaknesses and opportunities behind the project. What is really good about them is that they will force you to focus on the most important functionality of the product you will be designing. A problem statement is usually 1 or 2 sentences to explain the problem your project will address. In general, a problem statement will outline the negative points of the current situation and explain what this matters. It also serves as a great communication tool, helping to share core assumptions and ideas behind the project to your team and stakeholders. During the defining stage, you can also describe jobs to be done. This method focuses less on the user himself, but rather on the context of the situation or circumstances in which a concrete need occurs or arises. While personas tend to focus on the attributes of your target group, JTBDs focus on the motivations and context of your audience. For example, imagine that you are hungry and you want to order some food. At that moment, the context is you being hungry, and the action of food ordering is a job that needs to be done by you. Apart from the mentioned, similarly to discovery stage, it's a good idea to perform comparative analysis, which allow you to better position your future product in the context of its competitors. Look for services which offer solutions to problems that you discovered or learned during the previous stage. How can your product serve its users better than them? Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Also, click on this video if you want to learn something else today.